TRX, you are gone. Bye-bye. That's one thing that hurts, $109. TRX, that shit hurts, bro. It'll be all worth it, I guess, at times, but it's over though, man. She ready to go bye-bye. It's ready to be a bye-bye thing, no more truck. I drove with this bitch like a truck. Full tank. Of course, before I trade it in, I want to do this real fast. Something I never did yet. Seconds, 4.7 seconds. It was a bad shift again. One more time, y'all. Come on, baby. That was 0-60. Alright, like. Launch. I brake. Like I said many times before, I'm getting rid of my car. I'm getting rid of my TRX. So we're gonna first stop first here at Carmax. They have a Camaro. I believe it's a 2019 Camaro that I'm interested in. That we're interested in getting that for a Toro. So we're gonna see if we can work out a good deal. Let's see.
So we'll go back inside. I'll ask about 8 more questions about the truck. After that, probably come out here and check around.
Talking about it.
Yeah, where you at, Shamar? I let you know. I know you want to see what that Durango, fella.
I knew it was the Durango.
This something for you right here. I know you like this.
You got Durango down. This is the clean out.
You know, just go south.
Did you get all the change on here? Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. This is the clean out. Final goodbyes. Final goodbyes to the TRX. You know what's crazy about buying these type of cars, man? I'm gonna tell you about this, man. If I had told this car, I would have lost money, and I never thought about that until now. I'd have lost money totaling this car, man. And Benz though, thank God we didn't. If I had crashed the car, totaled it, anything, we'd have lost the 20,000. What is it called? Over the book value that we paid for. Because when we bought the car, this car was in such a high commodity where it was rare, you know, it was in just the end of COVID where, you know, it wasn't a lot of these getting produced. So if I had lost it, like I said, if I had crashed it, I'd have lost tremendously. I would have lost $20,000 plus. I'd have probably got $57,000 back or something. Thank God. And the Uber is definitely on its way. You said what happened? Oh, that top piece. But yeah, man. Boy, bad, y'all. God's good. And our paper is straight. No more TRX. Let me know, how does that feel, Shaniqua? As the camera's on YouTube.
Oh my God.
How does it feel? How does it feel? You are not the father. No. Look at you. You are not the father, King. Run. You're supposed to run. School Dodge Viper. Eddie Murphy. Professor Clumps, motherfucker. I always was a Dodge fan. I love Dodge Vipers, but okay. No, he didn't give it to me. Yeah. Don't need no permission, Kevin. That's your car. That's your problems now, right? We shook on it, right?
Does it have problems?
No, that not have no problem. It's a brand new truck, man. The only problem is it drinks a lot of gas.
A lot of gas.
A lot of. I mean, I left you with a full tank, damn near, almost.
I had one.
You had one? What, you had the launch edition?
I had it, yeah.
Damn. Why you trade yours in?
Yes.
Gas?
I had it for 7,000 miles, and I was like, hell no.
See, if I had a Hellcat, I'd have kept it, but not worth it. Not both. Damn. That's the third person ever driving my vehicle right now. ask him? Like, yeah, I get more money for other kids? Huh?
No, then he gonna be like, I mean, 'cause that's the honest thing to do, to give him the keys. And he be like,
Yeah, why you keeping the keys? You trying to steal it back? Yeah, it's new. Yep, I had it for a year. We put what, 26,000 miles on it. We got rid of it because
This is 22.
yeah. This is very nice. This is something that we're looking to get.
Hey, 22, but now how many miles?
How many miles you had?
Not too much.
How many miles you buy it with? Nothing?
0.
0. That's how we did ours. We bought ours with 0 miles.
But now how much is how much?
It was 26,000 we traded in.
How many you
This
have?
right now mileage is 56,600.
Wow.
56,000?
56,600,000.
I thought I put a lot of miles on my cars. And you had it for a year? For Uber, right?
Uber.
Yeah, you making money. If you making money. Is it worth it?
Yeah, not worth it. They are just to buy new and I'm stuck.
Yeah,
Not too much money, you know.
not too much money, right?
Now it's a lot of driver, everybody driving Uber, Uber.
Everybody says a lot of competition.
Lot of competition.
A lot of competition. On our way home. Home sweet home. Hell to the other side. But not having a TRX no more. But someday I will get the Lambo. Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Where'd you find this?
Nothing else. TRX is gone. Got rid of it. Thinking about trading this in, upgrading, and get a bigger truck. We don't know. This is staying. This ain't going nowhere. This is always all I need, all I wanted. This thing. Oh yeah, I was killing that thing yesterday too. But I want to let y'all know how much we actually got for the TRX. So first we went to Carmax. This is what Carmax offered us. Carmax offered us $57,000. Now mind you, you're probably looking like, oh, that's crazy. I think you paid like $90 for it. I did. I paid $96,000. Me and my wife, we paid $96,000 together for the car. 96 grand. 20,000 over sticker price. But the price on the sticker on the window was 71 grand. We paid 25 over that. How much she said that Cadillac was going for that CTSV truck? 270,000 on a $150,000 truck, and that's still to this day. So you know the inflation is still high, whatever. But they offered us 57. They offered us 57,000. We walked out that bitch and said, "Fuck you guys." We know we're gonna take our $20,000 loss. We know it, but we're trying to take less of a loss of that 96 as we can. We actually drove up the street, like literally, and we went to the Dodge dealership. And what did they offer us, babe?
First they offered us 70. And then they said, we were like, no, we want 80. So then they offered us 75. And we were playing a little bit more hardball. And then he said, oh, I forgot that I didn't check the VIN for the vehicle. The vehicle's actually only worth 70. And we were like, yeah, we're not. We were like, yeah, good thing.
Yeah, we're not budging off of 80. And then so we broke in the middle, which was 75. Like I said, sticker price of the car was 71. We got 75,000 from our TRX. That is fucking awesome to me. Because we got 26,000 miles on the car. We had got the car, we had 80 miles. I and my wife, we put 26,000 miles on that car. And we got 75,000. We got the sticker price plus 4,000 for the car. If we had drove my TRX 2 days ago, got in an accident, it got stolen, anything like that, they would have gave us this. They would have gave us this. And we couldn't argue with them. We couldn't take it to nowhere else and get it reappraised. Nothing. They either gave us $2,000-3,000 more because my wife, she works in the business, so she knows where to push or not. So yeah, sold the truck. I feel great about it. I'm thinking about selling my Hellcat. Thinking about it. Don't really want to. She really do. And what she said makes a point because we paid what, 15,000 over sticker for that. So she's like, you know, we ain't trying to take a loss. It's still the same scares. The motherfucker. We still got to worry about niggas stealing it. We still got parking valet. We still get all eyes on us, even though I debadged it and took the racing stripes off. But still, you know, it is what it is. It's a Dodge Charger and you're in the South. That's how they go down here. If it was that accurate, they would have paid us no mind. And that leads to what we may get. But I just want to give you guys an update on that before I walk around a little bit more, doing some more hard work, yard work, housework. I had to clean up, as you guys can tell. Our house is a mess. All right, guys. I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a second. I'm gonna turn the camera on when I turn it on.
Budget when I'm spending. Like, what you know about having digits? Hey, your mama smiling, grinning. Hey, I'm that same nigga. I'm bad in school, always up in detention. My teacher didn't think I would make it. I'm like, bitch, you should've listened. I be dripping, diamonds glisten. Pull up SRT, my engine. When I cook, though, I feel like my granny in that kitchen. Hey, his whole hooked on me. She say I'm KLC, I'm finger licking. Hey, dog boy, my white tee polo. Hey, my jeans are mirror skinnies. I feel safest in the trenches. I guess that's just how I'm living. Yeah, please don't tell me nothing about street shit if you ain't in it. Yeah, never respond to no sneak this, it ain't that real. It's real, baby. Ain't no